Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial that's going to enhance the user experience on your WordPress website. We'll guide you through the process of adding a custom loading page, which will give your visitors a polished and professional first impression while they wait for your site to load. So, let's dive in and get started on making your site look even better. Start by going to the left-hand menu and clicking on Plugins. From there, select Add New to start the installation process. You'll see a search bar on the right side of the screen. Click into this search bar and type Preloader to find the plugin we need. In the search results, look for a plugin named Safe Layout Qt Preloader among the available options. This plugin is well regarded for its ease of use and customization features. Click the Install Now button next to it. The plugin will begin installing, and once it's done, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With the plugin activated, it's time to configure it. In the WordPress dashboard, find the Preloader settings. This might be under a new menu item or in the Settings menu. Open the Settings page, and you'll find various options for customizing your Preloader. First, we'll begin with the display settings. Here, you'll decide how the Preloader will appear on your site. You can choose which pages the Preloader will be displayed on, whether it's your home page, specific pages, or across the entire site. This helps you control where visitors will see the Preloader. Additionally, you can set the minimum and maximum display time for the Preloader. Next, choose a background animation. Most Preloader plugins offer several built-in animation options to choose from. This could be anything from a spinning icon to a progress bar. If you want to include a progress bar, select this option. You can customize its color, height, and animation style to match your site's design. Brand image. You can upload your brand logo or an image to be displayed during the loading phase. This helps reinforce your brand identity while visitors wait for your site to load. Icon. If you prefer a simple loading icon, you can select from a variety of built-in icons provided by the plugin. Customize its size and color to suit your site's theme. Counter. Some plugins allow you to add a loading counter that shows the percentage of completion. Enable this option if you want to provide your visitors with a sense of progress. Text. Customize the text displayed during the loading phase. You might include messages like "loading" or "please wait while we load the content." Adjust the font, size, and color to ensure it's easily readable and fits with your site's overall look. Explore these settings and make adjustments as needed to create a loading experience that's both functional and visually appealing. Don't forget to save your changes. Once you've configured the plugin, it's time to test your loading page. Open your website in a browser to see the Preloader in action. Ensure that it appears as expected while your site loads. It's crucial to check how the Preloader looks on various devices, desktops, tablets, and smartphones. This ensures a consistent and professional look across all platforms. If everything looks good, congratulations! Your visitors will now see a sleek loading page while waiting for your site to fully load. If you find that you need to make adjustments or if something isn't quite right, don't worry. Simply go back to the Preloader plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you can tweak any settings, such as the appearance of the progress bar, brand image, or text. Make the necessary changes, save your settings, and refresh your site to see the updates. And there you have it. Your WordPress site now features a sleek, custom loading page that enhances the user experience while your site loads. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're happy with the results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on improving your website. Have any questions or run into any issues? Drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.